friends, wherever you are, I'm happy to be here once again. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while. Oh my god, I won't even say how many months it has been, but it has been a busy month where we are still dealing with COVID. We are going in and out of lockdowns. That's why I haven't been here, but cheers to being back here. If you remember, a few weeks ago it was my birthday, so I posted some friends that I just met on an event, and I was going to make a video and show you guys how we met and how the event went through. I'm excited about this group of girls because I haven't had this group of girls for ages. They're just girls that are trying to find friends. They've moved from other states to this state. They've moved from other series in Australia, and so they're looking for friends just like me. Being in a foreign country, living Kenya, I've been here for a few years, and moving states hasn't helped as well because I had a few friends earlier and then I moved states and lost all those friends again. So I have to find new friends, and it hasn't been easy, not just for me but for many of us. I met these beautiful women, but how did we really meet? Anyway, there's everything on Facebook these days. So there's this group on Facebook. One of the girls in the group decided to throw an event just to invite people from a certain age to join her and just get to know each other and just catch up. So I embarked on a journey to finding friends, and we all met for the first time ever. In this video, it's just about the event and meeting those girls and how the catch-up went. I love fashion, I love style. You'll find a few styling tips, date nights, going out, catch-up, cocktail with the girls in this video. It was fantastic, it's fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and tune in and watch out for more that is coming in future. Please, I urge you to comment, like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. I love you guys, and catch up with you soon in my next video coming soon. Cheers, stay safe, bye bye. Let's watch. Guys, this is the day. I'm meeting these girls tomorrow, so I have to be ready. I have to prepare myself. It's winter time, so I need something that is really warm because it's going to be like very cold, rainy day. So I'm going to need something that is warm, something that will cover these legs. Let me get an outfit, and also, you know, we are all strangers to each other, so there's that thing, you know, first impression. I want to give a nice good first impression, so I think simple but fabulous. Yeah, cold days, 16 degrees, wet, rainy, boots included. So whatever I'm choosing, it has to be something that will be going with the boots. The boots that I want to wear. Not that I'll wear. I was just trying, and then I saw this green color. I'll wear this one. It's black. It's wool, like sweater. I carry this.
Trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't
What is Joey doing?
Meters, turn right. Turn right, then turn left.
What are you drinking now? I've never heard of anybody drinking tequila with soda.
Me too. There.
But that becomes more interesting because once the cards diminish, the dealer stays the dealer the longest, and it's called fuck the dealer.
So the dealer gets fucked.
I don't give a dealer gets fucked. So I'm going to put a card down, and Jackie, you're next anyway. I'm going to put a card down. Hi, what
I think it's higher.
have a look.
Girl, I looked.
Yeah.
Is it
Ace.
one? Ace?
Ace.
Yeah, you go!
You're on
Ace
fire.
is
Oh.
good. That's why you were like...
Did you say 6?
I was like, did I get the numbers?
Yeah, but first.
Ace is
yeah, 6.
highest. I thought it was
You gotta drink 6. And you're still the dealer. She's taking my.
How do you ride the boat?
Do you want small, medium, or large?
So let's say about the middle.
Yes, large. Go big. What happened to the biggest time? She's running the boat.
What's your...
Let her time.
Right. Right, who's
Ready?
got it? Wait, you got it. Somebody get it.
Okay, my fucking arm.
It's your turn. Sorry. Number. I'm just joking.
You. Your number. You.
Your turn! Are we sliding? You're sliding off.
She's like you. She sings with her hands. I'm like,
birthday, dear Jackie. Happy birthday.